Please be ready for a dictation from the matter which was dictated in DDC SPA skill on 11th November 2020. 5 seconds. Start. A session of the Indian Parliament is the period during which a house meets almost every day uninterruptedly to manage the business. There are typically 3 sessions in a year. A session contains many meetings. The process of calling all members of the Parliament to meet is called summoning of Parliament. It is the President who summons Parliament. In general, the sessions are as follows: Budget session, February to May; Monsoon session, July to September; Winter session, November to December. The budget session is held in February to May every year. It is considered to be a highly crucial session of the Parliament. The budget is usually presented on the last working day of the month of February. Here, the members discuss the various provisions of the budget and matters concerning taxation after the Finance Minister presents the budget. The budget session is generally split into 2 periods with a gap of 1 month between them. This session every year starts with the President's address to both houses. The monsoon session is held in July to September every year. This is after a break of 2 months after the budget session. In this session, matters of public interest are discussed. The winter session of Parliament is held in mid-November to mid-December every year. It is the shortest session of all. It takes up the matters that could not be considered upon earlier and makes up for the absence of legislative business during the second session of the Parliament. The Constitution of India provides for the joint sitting of the Parliament's 2 houses, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, in order to break any deadlock between the 2. The joint sitting of the Parliament is called by the country's President. Such a session is presided over by the Speaker and in his/her absence by the Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. In the absence of both, it is presided over by the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. If any of the above are not present, any other member of the Parliament can preside by consensus of both the houses. If 6 months have passed since the passing of the bill by one house and the bill has been received by the other house without it being passed, the President cannot summon a joint sitting if the bill was not passed because of the dissolution of the Lok Sabha. Also, in calculating the 6 months days when House was prorogued or adjourned for more than 4 consecutive days are not counted. Money bills do not require the approval of the Rajya Sabha. Only Lok Sabha needs to pass it. Even if the upper house does not pass a money bill within 14 days, it is deemed to have been passed by both houses of Parliament after the expiry of the above period. So, there is no case for a joint sitting in the case of a money bill. According to Article 368, the Constitution of India can be amended by both the houses by a 2/3 majority. In case of a disagreement between both the houses, there is no provision for a joint session of Parliament. Stop.